Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today we're talking about a business that combines entertainment, mobility, and high demand, the PlayStation gaming bus. Yup, imagine a fully equipped gaming lounge inside a converted bus or van. You park it at schools, parties, events, and even festivals, and people pay to play. Let's break down how this works. What is a PlayStation bus? A PlayStation bus is a mobile gaming room that offers multiple screens and consoles, usually PS4, PS5, or Xbox, for people to play games in groups. The bus is 1. Air-conditioned, 2. Decorated with LED lights, gaming chairs, sound systems, 3. Designed for group fun, 4 to 10 players at once. People rent it out for 1. Birthday parties, 2. Corporate events, 3. School festivals, 4. Public park events, 5. Even weddings. Startup costs. Here's a breakdown. 1. Used minibus or van, $10,000, $20,000. 2. Interior renovation and branding, $5,000, $10,000. 3. Gaming consoles and monitors, 4 to 6 setups, $3,000 to $5,000. 4. Air conditioning, lighting, sound, $2,000 plus. So total investment can be around $20,000 to $35,000 depending on quality. Revenue potential. Let's talk money. 1. Hourly rental, $100, $200 per hour. 2. Birthday package, 2 hours plus drinks, $400. 3. Full-day event bookings, $800 plus. With 8 to 12 bookings a month, you can reach $4,000 to $8,000 month revenue. That's solid ROI. Where to operate? 1. City parks and school zones. 2. Private homes, driveway access. 3. Shopping centers with permission. 4. Rural towns with limited entertainment options. You can target neighborhoods where kids and teens are bored and love gaming. Marketing tips. 1. TikTok tour of the bus interior. 2. Host free demo events in public parks. 3. Collaborate with gaming influencers or streamers. 4. Create gamer birthday packages. Partner with local event planners or schools. Make it cool, make it viral. Add tech features. 1. High-speed internet for online multiplayer. 2. VR gaming stations. 3. Leaderboards or tournament setups. 4. Game Pass membership system. You can even add YouTube, Twitch recording booths inside for young content creators. Bonus ideas. 1. Rent it for adult gaming nights. 2. FIFA, Call of Duty, etc. 2. Offer mobile snack drink packages. 3. Cross-sell with mobile phone repair or accessories. Final thoughts. A PlayStation bus is a fun, unique, and scalable business. It's perfect for cities with young populations and high event activity. With the right branding and marketing, this mobile gaming lounge can become the hottest attraction in town. Would you play in one? Or even better, would you start one? Like and subscribe to Startup Sparks for more profitable startup ideas like this.